it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram is very girly. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say I've been working with my friend on an original song, and we filmed a music video. We went to the studio and we recorded it, and your support would literally mean the world to me. So my music video is gonna be coming out so soon. Follow me on Instagram for more updates, Jennifer-Biana. And yeah, I'm so excited. It's such a chill song. It's a side that you guys have never seen of me. It's so exciting. Okay, let's get into the video. This video is highly requested. A lot of you guys compliment my Instagram, and thank you so much for that. Like, I love working on that. So today I'm going to show you how I edit my photos and my Instagram photos, and just how I edit all of that and make my little girly like aesthetic on Instagram. So I'll be showing you how I would do like a scenery pic and how I would do like a picture of me. Hello guys, before we get into the video, I am in my college apartment. This is a little sneak peek to everything, to the apartment tour. So I just wanted to pause this video real quick because I love sharing iPhone cases with y'all. Like, so many of you guys message me on Instagram and you're just like, oh my god, I love when you do iPhone case hauls or like all those types of videos. So I have another iPhone case to show you from a company called ZVE. And when I tell y'all I've never gotten an iPhone case like this before, I'm being so honest. Like, also, let me know down in the comments below if you like this location. It's real busy, so I don't know if I should stay here, but like to film videos here, but you know, whatever, it's fine. So this is fitting to how I edit my Instagram picture video, because what do you use to edit your Instagram photos? An iPhone. And what does your iPhone always need? A case. So here is ZVE's case, and it comes in this type of packaging. Your Amazon store will be down below, as well as the link to get this cute little iPhone case. So she's a going out iPhone case. She's a, if you're going to the club and you hate carrying a bag, iPhone case. So this is them, ZVE. Also comes with a wristlet if you want to attach the wristlet to your iPhone case. But this is it. It's a zipper wallet case. And it feels so smooth. It's dusty rose pink. We love that queen. And when you open this up, there's places for you to hold your cards. Like, y'all, like going to the club in this, or like going out somewhere, and you could just put like all your cards in here in your iPhone case and zip it up. Nice. And the fact that it's so cute of a color, like, yes. So you could just leave it at this. It's just like the wristlet clip, and you put it on the bottom. We got both of them on. So if you guys wanted one, you could totally go check them out on Amazon. The link will be down below and to their store, so thank you, ZVE. This is a new case to our edition. Oh my god. This is my wallpaper. I've sent a lot of you guys my wallpaper on Instagram, so if you want it, I made it. And I have a video on how to make them if you want to go check that out. But yeah, DM me if you want this, and check out the video if you want to make your own. And it just says, learning to not envy someone else's blessings is what grace looks like, because I have opened up about this, but I am a little jealous and envious of a lot of people, as I'm sure we all are. And I just try to remind myself to not be, because that's bad, and you really shouldn't be envious, because you should be grateful of everything you have. Here's my Instagram. Are the photos that I mainly have. So this is like a photo I really like that I posted recently, and I post a lot of little girly like smiley photos in my room, and this was one of the photos that I really liked. And yeah, I try to keep up this light pink, white, like bright theme. Definitely tried to do that a lot. That was from a giveaway, and a new giveaway is gonna be coming up. I'm so excited. And yeah, so this is like a scenery pic. So obviously I try to maintain that light, bright, white, pink, and all that stuff kind of everything. And like, look at this cute little photo. Oh my god, love. So yeah, and this was a couple masks, and this was literally today, so you should also check out my stories. Cute little stories and updates of like what I'm doing, like travel, work, outfits, my life, travels, Paris. So like here I was eating and stuff, yeah, so come check out my stories. And okay, let's get into it, so sorry. I have a folder called Instagram things, Visco, Photo Wonder, Photoshop, Pics, Blender Art, Facetune, Snapseed, Command, PS Express, YouCam, Makeup, Preview, Pic Collage. So yeah, I don't use all of these apps. I'll show you which ones I really do use. I always start with Visco. So I already have a couple of photos there. So I'm gonna start with this one right now, and I just go to the effects, and then C1 is always my favorite because it just brightens things up, and I love that. And I go to like the middle. It depends on the photo, but obviously you play it by key. Over here, and sometimes I make it brighter, but like not by a lot. That's one of you guys. Hi. And then I usually do, like, if I want it to be pink, I go to tint, right? And then I make it really high, and then obviously that makes your skin like really pink too. And I go to skin tone, and then I do that all the way up, and then so the tint just did like anything else, you know what I mean? And like my shirt and stuff, and I made that pink, but not my face, which is really nice. Already a lot brighter and nicer, but I'm not done with it yet. But I'm gonna save it to camera roll, and it's finished. And I don't really mess that much with my face, like I know a lot of YouTubers do, but I go to paint, and then I go to my favorite little light pink color. So usually I take my little pink one and I color the background so that it's a different color, because I didn't really like the browns and oranges. But paint skin isn't really working, so I might go to tone and change the tone of it and go to the same light pink shade. Okay, yeah, see, it's a lot more light pink now, and you could see that. And you just have to be careful to not get it like on yourself, and to do it evenly. And it looks a little weird right now, but we're gonna tone it like a lot down. So then I'm gonna like make it just like a little bit, tone it down a little so that it looks realistic. So that already changed like the photo a little bit, like it looks a lot nicer and pinker. And I might just go in for a little more touch-ups. So yeah, I'm just touching it up like a little bit. And then I go to adjust, and I make sure, like, play with the brightness. Like, I kind of want it a little darker actually, because I think that looks nice. And then color, I don't know if I should play with color. And then if I ever want to do like a light fixture, like these are really cute. Like this one like kind of looks cool. So, and then you could put it wherever you want. Like I like the little stripy stripes on my hair, so I'm gonna do that like lightly, and you see like that kind of looks really cool. And then this is the trick, guys. If you don't have an iPhone X and you love it when it looks blurry and professional, just go to defocus and just defocus the background, and then your imperfections, like when you color the background, won't like show up as much. But yeah, so like blur out the background. I do this all the time. This is one of my favorite things, like literally. And then just lower it like a little bit, and then it looks like you took it in portrait mode on an iPhone X. So do you see it's like way blurry and like cool looking? Let's see what the paint one does. Does it do it like, oh, I like that one, yes. So we came into more pink, do some, oh, I don't like it on the tile actually, so I'm just gonna stick to this part. On the tile it didn't look as good. YouCam makeup, and I don't like add a lot of makeup stuff on, honestly, but like I definitely do clean my face a little. So this is, I go to the makeup cam, that's me. Right now with a bunch of fur. So here it is. This is my, then they like automatically do the makeup for you, and then I take that off. Yeah, you could do whatever you want. Like this color actually looks, but like, you know what, like whatever. Sometimes I like whiten my teeth a little too, and then go to face. And then face smoother is really nice if you want to look flawless. I don't do it that much because like I do have foundation on and stuff, so it's not that bad. Because I do actually do my makeup in real life, so you know what I mean. But like I do a little blush, and I love the contour. Oh my god, so you go to like perfect contour, and I love the contour, so I do it a little less. And then what I do, my favorite thing is shine removal. Obviously, you can see I'm really sweaty in this photo as always. So like I just remove the shine and then it looks so much better. And I'm actually still kind of looking a little sweaty, so I'm gonna go back to Facetune with the picture I recently did, and I'm gonna go to retouch, and there's also a mattify thing there. So I'm just gonna click on these parts a little and mattify my face. This was the before, right, is the after, and it just fits my aesthetic so much better. I love it. Like literally I just might even post it. And on Instagram sometimes I do like add more effects. So yeah, on Instagram sometimes I like the filter Aiden a lot, and I just put like a little bit of that. And then sometimes I like going to color, highlighting with the pink and like doing very little tint of it. Fade is sometimes fun if you want to be like more like indie. And highlight, I love highlight because it just makes your face a little lighter, like brighter. And yeah, that would be what I would do on Instagram too. Go to preview, and that's a really good app to see how your photos are gonna look on like a feed. So that's how I decide what photos I want to post. And then I post it and it shows up like this, and like I don't want to post that photo because I feel like it's too close to my face actually. So this is a photo, and I still do my C1 effect, and as you can see it makes it a little darker, and I hate that. So like I'm gonna make it a little brighter for sure. And then I'm definitely gonna do my tint all the way to pink, even though it looks crazy. And then I'm gonna do my skin tone so it looks less crazy. So this is all I do from Visco. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go to Facetune, and Facetune's really good for scenery photos. I love it. So actually I'm gonna crop it because I feel like it's too wide and too far. Oh, there's crop. Okay, so I might just do just so that it's a closer photo, and I like that a lot more. You can't really see my face in this, so I'm just gonna focus on the background, and it's already like tinted pink, and I like to add more pink, so I'm adding more like skin tone, like just play around with these colors to make the sky a little, this is obviously so much, wait, hold up. But I'll do it like a little bit, and it's looking cute, it's looking cool, it's looking indie. Get a little brighter, and then and you could add more color sometimes, like to make things more vibrant. And light fixtures are fun. I love one of these, or like these, so like I might just like I don't know if it fits. I'll do it a little, why not? And then I'm gonna defocus a little, maybe, I don't know. Usually in scenery pics I don't defocus because the scenery is like the point of it, but because like I am in the scenery pic, might just defocus it a little. Okay, I'll do it like ever so slightly. Okay, so also like I actually want to add some like fadedness. Also, if you want to see on preview, you totally can just upload it here. And yes, she fits our like white aesthetic, like I love that. It fits like our little aesthetic. So then I'm gonna go on the Instagram app. Here's our photo. Brightness, maybe I'll add some more brightness. I do like to add a lot of brightness. Warmth, sometimes if the pink is like too overbearing, I sometimes make it colder so that it's like not as like warm and overbearing. The fade would look real cool with this photo. And definitely want to highlight the original. And this is the second one, the last one. Original, last one. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to learn or let me know or ask me how to Photoshop or any of that stuff, comment that down below. Like I do that all the time, so I would love to show you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please make sure to keep a heads up for my new original song and music video coming up, and like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.